Hello everyone, welcome back to SteamCode. In this video we're going to be building off of our meme command that we made in our last video. And so if you haven't seen that, it's linked down in the description because everything's going to be based off of the assumption that you've already seen that video. And so let's jump right into this. So let's demonstrate how this meme command will work. So if I zoom in, let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, I've used the meme command. I can run it again if you'd like. And as you can see, the bot posted a meme. Now we can click on the new meme button and it reloads the meme as another one without having to use the command over again. Alright, so let's get into how we actually make this. So I already have the code all written out, but I'll go through it line by line. So head into your meme.js file and we're going to create, first we're going to add two more constants. So where we have the constant message embed, we're going to add two more constants, message action row and message button, because we're going to be using the buttons. And we're going to create a row. So constant row is equal to new message action row. Then we're going to add one component. This is going to be the message button. So message button.set custom ID. I set that to new meme. Set the label as new meme and set the style as primary. That just makes it have the blue color. And then to actually make it display, we need to, inside of this interaction.reply, add a component and then row within an array. Because you can have multiple rows, and so that's why it needs to be in an array, just in case you want to have other buttons to have other functions. Alright, so that's all we need to really change inside of our meme.js file. Let's head to interaction create and see how we can change this. So within your interaction create interaction.isButton statement, we have here if interaction.customID.includes new meme. So that's saying if this interaction has the ID of new meme, and as you can see, we've set the ID of this button as new meme. So if it has the ID of new meme, then create an array of memes. So this is the exact same array that we have here. You can just copy and paste. We're going to create a random index the same way we did before. So we're basically copying and pasting this code. And then create a new image embed. So let new meme equal new image message embed dot set image memes index. So this is basically creating a new meme within our embed the same way we created the past one. And then we just change the embed to show the next meme. So interaction.update embeds are set to new meme instead of the old one. And that's really all the code that you need to add. And if you need to check this code out and copy and paste it for yourself, head over to our GitHub. If you want to ask any questions, you can do so in the comments down below, or check out our Discord server. You can ask me questions, make suggestions, and get help on whatever videos that I've posted in the past. This has been SteamCode. If you guys have enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks.